few victims. Oh, I mean visitors. Alright, looks like we're all sitting down, and we are all clear to go. Everyone wave goodbye to people on the dock. You're never going to see them again. No, wave goodbye to all the people in line. Bye. Wave like you mean it. You're never going to see them again either. No, they still have 2 more hours. Now, everyone, please remain seated throughout the entire trip, keeping your arms, hands, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, please watch children, and children, or watch your parents. I don't trust them. Also, no eating or drinking on board the boat, and no flash photography. Now, my name is Kayla. I'll be your skipper, guide, and swimming instructor for the next 3 months as we travel down the jungle rivers of the Bruce. Now, actually, we're in the Amazon rainforest. It rains 365 days a year. That's almost every other day. Can you believe it? No. Right here is Inspiration Falls. Now, if you stare at it for long enough, you'll be inspired to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone say, ooh. Everyone say, ah. Now, it sounds like a mediocre boat full of inspiration. It's going to be a very long cruise if you don't put on your sense of humor. But we are now entering the deepest and darkest part of Central Africa, the Congo River. And we're going to see how far we can go. Now, up ahead, we have a party for you. It's going to have snacks, fun, games, you name it. It's there. Oh, no one showed up. Well, that's awkward. There's supposed to be a native welcoming party here for you, but I can't see anyone. Canoe? No? All I see are some kayaks and a lack of sense of humor. No? Oh, well, that explains it. It's a giant python. Now, I'm going to stay far away from him as possible, because once that guy gets a crush on you, it's rather smothering. Yeah, it's a real constricting relationship. Oh no, my roommates are home, and they're destroying just about everything I've ever owned, so that's perfect. At least they did one thing right though. They got my Jeep to turn over. Gonna get it started this morning. Yeah, they must use the monkey wrench. Oh, they call Triple Leak. Well, we are now in the Nile River, the longest river in the world, and it just goes on for miles and miles and miles, just like this cruise will be if you don't laugh at me. But, you know, if you don't believe me, you're in denial. Now, right here we have an African elephant. Can anyone tell me why that's an African elephant? It's because we're in Africa. Pay attention, people. Now, right here we have one of our boulder attractions, and a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it rocks, so we're just going to marvel at it. Yeah. Well, we are now in the African belt, and up here we have some giraffes, some wildebeest, some vultures, lions, zebras. You know, the zebra is the oldest animal in the jungle. Yeah, they're still black and white. That sleeping zebra, though, well, he looks dead tired, so I think we're going to let him rest in peace. Seems like a good idea. Oh, well, there's the raw safari we were looking for. You know, they must be really having their ups and downs today. Yeah, I sure wouldn't want to be the low man on that totem pole. No, I wouldn't, but I think you got the point in the end, though. Now, up ahead are some of my favorite plants. I really like this leafy green one. That bamboo up there, that tree, and then that little baby leafy green one on the bottom. Yeah, that's my favorite. I named it Fred. Now, up ahead is beautiful Swisher Falls. It's named after Dr. Albert Falls, who actually founded the Jungle Navigation Company. Now, if you have any questions, don't worry about it. We're going to go over it later. Now, you're all going to feel some nice cool mist on your face. Well, good news that this actually contains 4,000 types of tropical bacteria. You're very welcome. Now, a lot of people ask me, Skipper Kayla, how'd you land your job here? Well, it's rather plain to see. I took a crash course, and I'm just kind of winging it from there, but my career never really took off, so that's the tail end of that story. But a downplane in the jungle can only mean one thing: hippos. Now, just one of these 6,000 pounders can easily sink this boat, so we're going to sit by them quietly. You know, last week they sank 6 boats. Don't worry, though, only 5 are mine. Yeah, we're still trying to find the last one. Funny enough, it was like a cruise like this when no one laughed at me. Oh, well, we are now entering headhunter territory, and it's a terrible place to be headed. Over here on the right, that's my last group. A couple of boneheads. Here we have some natives dancing in a circle. They haven't quite figured out the concept of square dancing yet. And here we have some natives flexing their Shakespeare. Now don't worry if you get hit with a spear. Just pull it out and throw it back at them. We're not allowed to keep souvenirs here. It's frowned upon. Well, get your cameras ready, folks. Up ahead is the sight few people ever get to see. It's the wondrous, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world. It's the backside of Florida. You can try that at home. We're going to hit the back river on the faucet. Don't ask me how I know that. Well, we are now entering the Mekong River deep in the heart of Cambodia. And up ahead is the sacred temple of the Khmer Empire. Now, looks like there's been an earthquake and a new entrance opened up. Should we go and investigate?
Yes.
Oh, I was afraid you say that. Well, this could lead to danger. This could lead to adventure. Or this could lead to another Disney gift shop. You can go ahead and take some pictures. They all have their trunks on today. Now, this one here, he likes to squirt at us sometimes. So, I just keep it real cautious around him because you never know what he's going to end up doing. No, I never do. I'm just kidding. That's a little dry humor there for you. Now, right here we have some high biscuits. There we have some low biscuits. And right there, that's sea biscuits. That's my favorite. And over here on the left, that's Trader Sam. Everyone say hi, Trader Sam. Thanks for the 5 people who did that. Now, he's our head salesman of the jungle, and everyone seems to love his deals because no matter how you slice or dice them, you always come out ahead. Well, we are now approaching the most dangerous part of this journey. So as we approach the dock, please keep your arms and elbows inside the boat. It really does scratch the dock, and we don't want you to experience any unnecessary peer pressure. Do not cross over the center crate. That's not a great idea. And exit the way that you enter the boat, please. So this side, you're going to go through the back door. This side, through the front door. Now, I just want to thank you all for joining me on the Jungle Cruise. I'd also like to thank my legs for always supporting me. My arms for always being by my sides. And, well, my fingers and toes. I can always count on them. Always count on them. I'd also like to thank some sponsors of the Jungle Cruise. Well, Animal Crackers for teaching kids that all animals taste the same. And, well, the Miracle Boat Company. Because it really is a miracle that this boat made it around the river once. Especially with me driving today. Well, we've laughed together. Not really. We've cried together. Only me on the inside. Now, after a cruise like that, there's really only one thing left to say. Get out. Oh, I'm sorry. Was that rude? Kind of like not laughing the entire time. Get out.